Hi there. Today, I'll show you how to customize Lightbox close button using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline. First, create or select the slide you want to display as a Lightbox. Use the Lightbox slide trigger to set up the Lightbox functionality on a different slide. On the Lightbox slide, insert a new button that will serve as your custom close button. You can design this button according to your preferences. To hide the default close button, you need to insert JavaScript in the Lightbox slide. Insert the following JavaScript code into the slide's trigger. Ensure the trigger JavaScript executes when the timeline starts on the slide. Preview your project to ensure that the default close button is hidden and your custom close button works as expected. And that's it. You've successfully customized Lightbox close button using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline. Thanks for watching.